Oh, hello everyone. I don't know about you, but I don't enjoy the way the night draws in so quickly at the moment. I'm looking forward to getting longest night over and done with, and the days starting to get just a little bit lighter. Well, before my husband comes in, I've got supper in the hay box, so I haven't got to worry about cooking that. But I am just going to get a bit of party food made before he comes home. Because tomorrow, I've got a very busy day ahead of me. I'm off to meet my cousin in Ramsgate. She's a member of the Women's Voluntary Service, the WVS. I'm going to help her with the Christmas party that they're putting on for those poor little mites who are having to sleep in the tunnels every night. Now, it's a good job those tunnels were built. Do you know, they'll take even the heaviest of a direct bomb and the people in the tunnels will still be safe. That mayor of Ramsgate, he really was a sensible chap. With the borough council, they arranged with the government that 3¼ miles of tunnels could be built to link up with the existing old railway tunnel that people could use to shelter in the event of air raids. It took a while for the government to agree, but they finally did, and at the beginning of June in 1939 the Duke of Kent officially opened those tunnels for Ramsgate citizens to use as shelter if it was needed. 60,000 people the tunnels can hold. And so you can see why so many of the population of Ramsgate haven't left the town, even though it's one of frontline Kent's badly bombed areas. But let's get back to the party. There are children living in those tunnels where the family house has been bombed, and we're going to give them a wonderful Christmas party. So I've got to remember to pack my blowers, some party hats, and lots of other things to be able to decorate the area that we're going to hold their party in. As sweets are very hard to get, I thought I'd make these lovely chocolate truffles. Now, my best friend Charlotte, she lives in the middle of the town, and unlike me, she doesn't have a sweet tooth. She much prefers savoury items. And being in the middle of the town, she can't keep any hens, and she really finds it difficult to get eggs. So quite regularly we do a swap, and I will give her some of my hen's eggs and she'll give me a little bit of the sugar that she doesn't get through on her ration every week. So although this is heavy on sugar, I've got enough to make them. Come on, let's go in the kitchen and I'll show you how to make these lovely chocolate truffles.
Hello, Mother. Hello, Dad. Compliments of the season. But tears are running down your face, Mother. What's the matter?
I'm thinking about your brother, Tom. We've never heard of him for 7 years. I wonder where he is tonight.
Oh, wherever he is, you can be sure he's thinking of you, Mother, and his home. He'll never forget. Why, perhaps at this very minute, far away out on the prairie, where the lonely starlings sleep, on a Christmas night on the prairie, a wanderer is falling asleep. Soon on Christmas tide he is dreaming of an old church amid the snow, and it seems he softly whispers as the memories come and go. Christmas bells are ringing in that home of mine tonight. Christmas choirs are singing in the golden candlelight. I can hear the organ playing that hymn I used to know. Christmas bells were ringing in the days of long ago. Yes, the Christmas bells are ringing in that dear old home of mine tonight. And in the church, the Christmas choirs are all singing in the beautiful golden candlelight. And then I can hear the organ playing that hymn I used to know. When those Christmas bells were ringing in the days of long ago.
Well, I'm just starting to pack up the party things to take to Ramsgate Tunnels as I'm heading off soon. My cousin did say to wrap up warm. She said it's not very cold down there, but it does feel very damp, so put on a few more layers. So I'm taking some lovely party hats for the children, because I doubt very much if the families would have taken them into the tunnel shelters with them. So I'm also got some lovely paper party hats, and they're going in too. And of course I'm not going to forget my favourite party hat. I'll be wearing one as well, don't laugh. And of course I'm also taking some party blowers so that we can make lots of noise down in those tunnels. We've even got an orange each to give to the children at the end of the party. And we've also managed to find a threepenny bit to give them as well. And not forgetting, of course, those delicious chocolate truffles, as good as any a sweet that you can get. And I know that they're going to love them. So we're going to be having lots of fun and making lots of noise in those tunnels, where the families will be keeping safe over Christmas. Make sure you're keeping safe too. Happy Christmas, everyone.